This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado or flash flood or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Thousand steps, which equals up to about 10 miles a day. It's tough.
Road at Coliseum next to Joann Fabrics.
The latest forecast at the top and bottom of the hour to keep you ahead of the storms from ABC 21. And for severe weather alerts directly to your cell phone, text news to 46862 from your breaking news authority, WOWO 1190 AM, 107.5 FM, and WOWO.com.
WOWO and WMEE HD2 Fort Wayne on 1190 AM, 107.5 FM. Depend on it.
Clock's ticking on Capitol Hill on the